Good morning to all. As you all are aware that a full-fledged online education is going on in our school, and we have included different new aspects into it. And today we are going to organize a virtual assembly in our school for our children. And we expect that all students should participate in the assembly staying at their homes. We all know that we cannot bring our children right now to our school, but gradually it will happen. So today we are going to conduct our assembly with the help of our dear teachers. And everyone knows that the whole world is going through a different phase now because of COVID-19. So take care of yourself, children. Always eat healthy food and maintain cleanliness. Use mask whenever you go out, and that too only for important reasons. Take special care of your grandparents and don't remain idle at home. Involve yourself in some mind engaging activities. You can play chess, Ludo, or any other activity, or involve yourself in helping your mother out in the kitchen, or maintaining a garden in your house, or any other activity which will boost your mental strength. So stay home, stay safe. Now let's start the assembly with a prayer. And for the prayer, I would like to invite the choir group. And for that, I invite our teachers, Mrs. Liji G, Mrs. Nisha S, Mrs. Ruti Vijayan, Mrs. Jyoti, and our music teacher, Mrs. Srikuti SR.
കാണായ ലോകങ്ങൾ കാക്കുന്ന ദേവാ കാരുണ്യ സിന്ധോ നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കാണായ ലോകങ്ങൾ കാക്കുന്ന ദേവാ കാരുണ്യ സിന്ധോ നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കരളിന്റെ പൂക്കൾ നിൻ പാതാരവിന്ദത്തിൽ കാണിക്ക വച്ചു നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കാണിക്ക വച്ചു നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കരളിന്റെ പൂക്കൾ നിൻ പാതാരവിന്ദത്തിൽ കാണിക്ക വച്ചു നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കാണിക്ക വച്ചു നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കാണായ ലോകങ്ങൾ കാക്കുന്ന ദേവാ കാരുണ്യ സിന്ധോ നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ ലോകാ സമസ്താ സുഖീനോ ഭവന്തു ഈ മന്ത്രമീ ലോകമെങ്ങും മുഴങ്ങാൻ ലോകാ സമസ്താ സുഖീനോ ഭവന്തു ഈ മന്ത്രമീ ലോകമെങ്ങും മുഴങ്ങാൻ വിജ്ഞാനദീപം നിറകതിർത്തൂകി നേരിന്റെ പാത നയിക്കണമേ നീ നേരിന്റെ പാത നയിക്കണമേ നീ വിജ്ഞാനദീപം നിറകതിർത്തൂകി നേരിന്റെ പാത നയിക്കണമേ നീ നേരിന്റെ പാത നയിക്കണമേ നീ കാണായ ലോകങ്ങൾ കാക്കുന്ന ദേവാ കാരുണ്യ സിന്ധോ നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കരളിന്റെ പൂക്കൾ നിൻ പാതാരവിന്ദത്തിൽ കാണിക്ക വച്ചു നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കാണിക്ക വച്ചു നമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ
Next, I would like to invite Mrs. Smita Sajeev to say the pledge.
Get ready for the pledge. All of you stand up. Stretch your right hand forward and let's start. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Next, I would like to invite Mrs. Binduar Pillai for the news reading.
Good morning. This is Bindu Apule bringing you the top headlines. Situation along LAC tents and full army deployment. Revamped action plan for Delhi to fight COVID-19. Government plans to cut import dependence by building local capacity. Pollution control boards must intensify actions. Delhi University admission 2020, over 57,000 registration for UG courses in 24 hours. Tripura to start Play Little, Study Little scheme for school students from June 25th. World News. Trump again blames China for COVID-19, tames it Kung Flu. UK to unveil lockdown easing plans this week. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.
Next is thought for the day and new word, and for that I invite Mrs. Ramya Sudan.
Morning, everyone. Today's thought for the day. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. These are the words of Albert Einstein. In the face of adversity, you will become stronger and learn how to deal with difficult times. Challenges are actually opportunities in disguise, and the one who can learn how to turn their challenges into gaining something positive are the ones who can achieve success, peace, and happiness in their lives. Challenges teach us to survive in the toughest time and to become stronger. So, face the challenges with a positive attitude. Today's new word, pandemic. The spelling of the word is P-A-N-D-E-M-I-C. I repeat, P-A-N-D-E-M-I-C. The meaning of the word is a disease prevalent over a whole country or the world. Here's a sentence. COVID-19 has become a pandemic, killing lakhs of people from all over the world. Thank you.
I invite Mrs. Varsha KS for the general knowledge.
Good morning, children. Today's GK question is, when do we celebrate National Reading Day? I repeat, when do we celebrate National Reading Day? The answer is on June 19. The National Reading Day is celebrated to honor the father of the library movement in Kerala, P.N. Panikkar, whose death anniversary falls on June 19. The 25th National Reading Day was celebrated on June 19, and with the following week, we celebrate Reading Week, and the Reading Month will be celebrated till July 18, 2020. The P.N. Panikkar Foundation, in collaboration with the government, has outlined many reading-related activities for the students to be conducted online in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.
Next, I invite our Chief Coordinator, Mrs. Ashna Rajan, for the importance of the day. Here only.
A very good morning to all my dear students. Today, I would like to share a few information on the World Day Against Child Labor. It is also known as Anti-Child Labor. It is observed on 12th of June of every year. Year, the theme of the day was COVID-19, protect the children against child labor now more than ever. This day was celebrated via a virtual campaign, and it was jointly organized by the Global March Against Child Labor and the International Partnership Corporation for Child Labor in Agriculture. The COVID-19 health pandemic and the resulting economic and labor market shock has had a huge impact on the people and the people's livelihood. Unfortunately, children are often the first to suffer. This is estimated to push a huge number of children into child labor. According to UN, around 152 million children are already in child labor, out of which 73 children are into hazardous child labor. The World Day Against Child Labor was introduced in the year 2002 by International Labour Organization. The main aim of coming up with this day was to eradicate child labor throughout the world and to give the children a good environment where they can live a very dignified life. Poverty is also one of the main reasons for child labor. Because of poverty, children are forced to opt out of schools and take up minimal wages so that they can support their parents for their livelihood. These children are also targeted by crime rackets and which they exposed into child labor. Now, what exactly is child labor? Child labor means any type of work which takes away the right of education from a child, which helps the helps the dignity of the child, and also affects the physical and mental health of the child is termed as child labor. I hope all of you would have seen our street play video, which was put in YouTube on 12th of June. The street play, it was participated by our students in 2016 at a competition held by CBSE. The topic of the play was childhood not for sale. Apart from creating awareness, such events also help in inculcating moral and social values in our students, and which also gives them a right platform and helps them in becoming a responsible citizenship. Such activities is now an integral part of learning and helps in the overall development of the student. Keeping in all this in view, we at Gayatri never miss an opportunity that we can give to our students for their well-being. Children, especially below the age of 14 years, is very vulnerable, especially during this crisis situation. So together, we should stand and fight against the social evil and make sure that our children are protected now more than ever. I would like to conclude by saying that stop child labor, protect the rights of a child, and support them. I would also like to take this opportunity to share to give a brief about the technical aspect of Microsoft Teams. There are mainly four main features in Microsoft Teams. One being assignment, second being the class notes which will be submitted by teachers, thirdly the class test, and fourthly the live class recordings. All the said four features can be viewed through Teams. Now, for all those who doesn't know about Teams tab, when you put in your user ID and password in Microsoft, it will take you to a screen where in the right hand side you will see four tabs: activity, assignment, Teams, and calendar. In that particular Teams tab, if you open, it will ask you for the combined class option. Once you click on the combined class option, it will take you to general. Once you click on the general option, it will show you n number of tabs, which is namely post, files, assignments, class notes, and more option. When you click on more option, that is where you can actually go and see all the recorded videos. There's an option called live recordings. Just click on that and you can see all the videos as till date, whatever that has happened. If you go and click on the file folder, that is where the class notes are going to be updated by the teachers. Under file folder, there will be a folder called class material. You can have you can access subject-wise class notes in that particular folder. And now coming to assignments and class test, you will have to go and click on the assignment tab. That is where you will see all the assignments that is updated by the teachers, and also the class test that will be updated as and when it is informed by the school. For any further IT or technical issue, you can get in touch with the IT director, Narayanan CS. His number is mentioned in all the WhatsApp groups. Thank you so much. Now I would like to call up the school choir for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाहे तव शुभ आशीष माहे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे